Starting this journey trading on Robinhood. First off, I appreciate you for stopping by this video and watching it. I'm gonna share my whole portfolio with you, and so you guys can follow me throughout this journey to $3,000 at my account. And we're not too far from there. We're about 700 off. I definitely took a dip right here, and I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I was gonna sell because had me sweating, boy. But never panic sell. That's one thing you probably shouldn't do, because you only lose if you sell, to be honest. Well, I guess you could take that with a grain of salt. Pretty much, basically, I had Roblox. Stock has been up and down, not gonna lie. The ground floor has been like around 69-ish to 70. It's been consolidating around that level. Right now, it's at 72.95. For the day right now, we're up 820. The next stock I have is FT, Future FinTech. I invested in it because I see it has potential to definitely reach 8, but if it could break through 8, I think it's gonna go to 10. This morning, moving, today's March 12th. I wish I would have showed you guys from the beginning, because I was down from Dogecoin. I only jumped in it because two of my friends at work, they jumped in it, and I know better. I know better than this. You never jump in the stock when it's at its peak, but it was just it was late, and I just saw it going crazy, and I don't know, I thought it was never gonna stop, you know what I mean? So yeah, I kind of just buckled down and really started learning the charts and technical analysis and learning what to look for and read news, things like that. So that's pretty much it for that. So the next stock is RKT, which is Rocket. Jumped in a little early and then I sold it. Fuel cell, as you guys can see right here, is dropping down to 1470. And I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking about selling this stock, but I might hold it just to, so we don't sell at a loss, because I hate selling at losses. I'm gonna just wait till it goes back. And last night was their earnings call. Well, this morning was their earnings call. So let's see what just happened. Okay, so revenue of $14,877,000 decreased by 8.53% year over year, which missed the estimate of 22 million. This stock dropped, and the reason it did is because of the earnings call. So I could have sold it yesterday and took profits, but that was a chance I decided to take and see what would happen if it was a positive earnings call, and see if it would go higher. Honestly, today's return, I'm down 14.10 on this one, and total return, I'm down $6.45. So it still can go up, because I know when stocks drop like this, they do tend to go back up, which kind of what it's doing right now. The next one is Apple. So Apple's been doing real good for me, actually. So I bought 4 shares of this at 119. It's at 125 right now. Up $29 overall, and it has no signs of slowing down. I was gonna sell it today, but I really don't think I am, to be honest with you. Yeah, I could see it going back up to 130, 135 and beyond, because they're talking about new AirPods, things like that. I don't know. When Apple releases something like the iPhone 12, they're people want to invest in their company. So I think that's might be a long-term hold. XPEV is a EV type company. These EV companies are going crazy. I just sold NIO for a profit. I sold it around 45. XPEV is basically in competition with Tesla, NIO, LI. But yeah, it's basically a bunch of EV stocks that are going crazy right now, and I just happen to pay attention to them all, and I did my due diligence on the ones I wanted to get into, and I just went ahead and pulled the trigger and got in kind of early. I rebought this one at 30.53, or averaged up, and right now they're sitting at 35.83, and I have a total of $26. It's almost at 20%. So normally I like to hold it until it's at 10 to 20%. But I don't know, I just feel like this one isn't gonna stop going up. I might hold it a little longer. What else? The last one I have is APXT, which is Apex Technology. I just threw $60 at it, and we're already up $2.61. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Yeah, these are some of the stocks I have right now. We're sitting at 24.83 right now. One of my stocks are going crazy, and I think I know which one it is. It's Roblox. We're sitting at 1,600 with 21 shares of this. And today's return is 26.82, and total return right now is 4.28. Basically, I'll do a follow-up video so you can see where I'm sitting at and what I'm planning to do on my next move, pretty much. Or I'll just update you on how this is going. So Short term, we want to make it to $3,000. All right, 3K. If you like this video, I'm gonna be talking about this, add this into my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with what's going on. Right now, it's looking good. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and click that bell. You get notifications when I upload videos like this. And you can follow me on Instagram, Finesse the Wave. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more content like this. Peace.